Hey guys, Joshua Peterson, Peterson Electric here today on installing a spa. If you call us, we'll ask you a question like, are you treating it like a Peninsula? Peninsula would be like having a spa near the house, like that plastic container that they have for toys. Over here, they're creating what we call an island way out here. So we had to trench this all the way down. If you're 110 volt, 20 amp GFCI protected on the line side, you're allowed to be 12 inches deep. This is only 6 inches. If it's PVC pipe without debris, you can be 18 inches. We are going to pull copper, but the reason why we're only going to 6 inches is because we're going to do a cement pad all the way around to cover that, so we just had to scratch it in. I'll show you a result what that looks like when it's done. Thanks.